everyone, I thought I'd do another quick video to talk to you about a new project that I've started. These videos seem to be going down quite well with you. I know it's nice to see what I get up to sometimes. So this is a new blanket that I started yesterday. You may think it's quite a lot that I've managed to do just in a day. But I will explain that I've actually broken a bone on my foot, and so I am just trying to rest up, which is a great excuse obviously for lots of crochet time. So I have been working on this for quite a few hours, even though I only started it yesterday. So this is the Lotus Flower Blanket pattern. Now this is a free pattern over on a blog, which I will of course link in my description. It's by a lady called Hooked by Robin. And it's, like I say, a free pattern on her blog, but there are also really handy video tutorials for it as well. So it's a step-by-step up until a certain row, and then obviously you can carry on the pattern from there without much trouble at all. So it's a really wonderful pattern. Obviously, as you can see, it's a circular blanket, and I haven't actually made a circular blanket before, so I was quite excited about this one. And I'm using a Scheepjes Whirl again, and this one is in the shade called Brambleberry. So it starts as a deep purple and then gradiates to a beautiful blue, and then obviously gets to quite a dark blue in the centre. So I've worked from the outside for the first time on this particular whirl because I wanted to start in the centre with the purple and finish with the dark blue. I really like how it's working up. I will take you in a little bit closer in just a second, but I wanted you to get a full shot of it from a bit further away. So the written pattern is really well written and was very easy to understand, but I did actually nip and check out her video tutorial on a couple of the steps just to confirm in my mind that I was doing it the right way, because even when you've been following patterns for a while, you do sometimes doubt yourself. So it's really handy to have Robin's video tutorial to hand, just in case you need it. So you can see they create little petal shapes. Obviously, with it being called the Lotus Blanket, we are referring to them as petals rather than shells. And obviously it's working really nicely. It's still a nice circular shape. It doesn't ruffle and it does sit perfectly flat. So that's all this video was. It was just a little talk about my latest project. And if you follow me on Instagram, then obviously you will have seen that I've started this one, and I'm looking forward to finishing this off. So I really hope that you've enjoyed seeing my Lotus Flower Blanket. And I will link down below where you can find the free pattern and also to Robin's video instructions as well. But I really hope that you've enjoyed seeing this one, and I will see you for a normal tutorial very soon.